Homeowner insurance mistakes. This is Ken Boyd. So the t-shirt read 10 fingers is overrated, and I'd seen the t-shirt owner running on a treadmill at the gym several times. He was fit in his 30s and he only had one arm. So why not have a sense of humor about a challenge you must overcome, right? So how about another challenge? Some close friends of mine had a house fire on Christmas Day 10 years ago. Fortunately, the damage was limited and no one was hurt, but fire damage to your home can be devastating. Even if you have insurance coverage, the process of recovering your valuables, filing a claim, and possibly having to move can be really traumatic. Most people, including me before I wrote this, don't understand what is covered under the typical homeowner's policy. Now, you can't eliminate the risk of a house fire or weather-related damage completely, but you can make sure that you have coverage. Bankrate explains four situations that are not typically covered under a standard homeowner insurance policy. The first is flooding. This may surprise you, but since flooding is fairly common, but most people think flooding is covered by a homeowner's policy. But the damage due to the flooding is normally not covered. Now, fortunately, the federal government advertises flood insurance options through the floodsmart.gov website. So go to an insurance agent first, but be aware that floodsmart.gov is an option. How about mold? The Center for Disease Control and Prevention points out that some people have health and breathing problems due to mold. Your homeowner's insurance policy will typically offer only limited coverage for mold or exclude the coverage completely. It's a side note, if you have trouble with allergies and mold, I use a Shark air purifier that works great. Give it a try if you're having any issues. Third, sewer lines. Many cities are not properly maintaining sewer lines, and the lines are at risk of backing up due to aging infrastructure. You may see your city or county putting new sewer lines in over time because they're replacing old ones. The lines are designed to handle both stormwater and raw sewage, and a sewer line backup can damage your home structure, including floods, walls, floors, walls, and electrical systems. And the backup can also damage furniture and other valuables in your house. Finally, for renters, a final point for people who rent property. Your landlord's homeowner's insurance on your rented property does not cover everything inside the structure. In other words, the space where all your property is. So to cover your personal property, ask an insurance agent about renters' insurance policies. So ensure you're covered. You can add an endorsement to your homeowner's policy. Your premiums will be more expensive, but you'll have coverage. And consult finally with a licensed insurance agent who understands your state insurance laws, because insurance laws can vary widely between states. So if you move from one state to another, revisit your insurance with your insurance agent. And for more great content on accounting and finance, you can go to Conference Room